All right, guys. This is what the stock looks like. Almost bare. This is after 3 cycles of steaming and lifting oils out of it. Um, I believe we're getting somewhere. I still have to figure out what to do here. Um, I'm either going to smooth this out to make it look like the other side, or I'm going to make both sides look the same. This would compromise the integrity of the wood. But what I'm attempting here is to lift out whatever dents I can out of this stock. As you can see, it's full of them. And this will also help lift out the cosmoline out of the crevices like in here and some other areas that are hard to get to. Without further ado, we'll get it cracking. So I already have my rag here, and I'm just going to start from right to left. I'm just using an iron here. And this is what I got. Definitely straighter. It will take multiple passes to lift out the dents completely. Just have patience, and your work will pay off. Definitely don't stay too long in one spot. I'm going to go after this one and see what we can get from that. Alright, this is the first pass. I'm going to keep doing this until I have all of these smoothed out. Alright, that seems to be doing the trick. I'm gonna keep going until I have a smooth surface that I can sand and get rid of most of the hard scratches and stuff. I think this is a good angle here. Like all these are scratches. steaming will not get rid of. Now I'm being mindful of the only stamp cartouche on the stock that I found. I'm keeping that intact, but everything else is going to be smoothed down. I'm going to be doing some minor inletting as well. And that's going to be after I take care of the cosmoline. Like, there's so much oil in here and here that I want to delicately move because I don't want to increase the gap and the fitment to the nose cap or the band. So I'm going to be delicate moving that, but inletting all of that to the bottom metal. It's going to look better than if it just came out of the factory, and that is my plan for it. Alright guys, until next time. Alright guys, I managed to get the stock off the barrel of action here, and I have it jigged up here on my work table, and I'm working on just smoothing out the surface. I got these rasps here. I got a few selection of them I'm going to be using. Went ahead and put the butt plate back on, so I won't round off the surfaces. However, I do want to true up this edge here, the mating surface between wood and brass here. I worked a little bit on this inlet. This used to be also a brass inlet, and it had I believe it had the unit of the soldier who was carrying the rifle, but after a while during the war they decided to take them off. But whoever put this piece of wood in here did not level it to the surface, so that's what I'm working on right now. Just run up that mating surface. Alright guys, coming back here on an update with the stock. This piece right here has gone through some minor shaping and sanding. I got rid of most of the deep dents and scratches, but anything deeper than that is going to deform the shape of the stock, and I definitely don't want to do that. This area is right here, and some areas here are going to be hidden by the dark stain that I'm going to be applying to this. Now this again has been sanded to 100 grit, and it's been raised, so I'm just here trying to figure out how to color match, because from what I'm standing right now, this piece seems darker than the stock as a comparison. It's pretty close, but it seems darker. But the real issue is these two pieces are yellowish of color, and I'm trying to figure out how to best color match them. Now, just by wet testing here, for example, that's what the stock would look like. That's what this piece would look like, and they're really close. But bringing them to this one, slightly doesn't match, and even worse, this one. So don't know how to go about this. Experimenting with different stains. So definitely taking suggestions on how to color match these, what product should I use, and until then I'm going to be filling the chips here on the stock and over here as well. These are the two big chunks, the big main chunks that I need to repair. And now this area right here that's broken off, I don't know, I might leave it alone because it's not really a critical area, and it's kind of hidden underneath, but it's going to bother me knowing that it's there. I do have some acroglass on the way, but until then I'll be taking suggestions on how to finish this. So leave me comments, suggestions on what to do, and that'll be greatly appreciated. Thank you very much.